Hello everyone, once again welcome to Accent Talk Institute, your most goes to destination for mastering English speaking classes and communication skill as well. So before this starting class, I wanted to request all of you, if you wanted to learn a language and if you wanted to be a fluent speaker, it is much needed to be disciplined and consistent as well. And it is much needed to be calm. यदि आपको सामने वाले को 5-7 मिनट देना आता है कंटिन्यूअसली, तब आप समझ जाइए कि आपके अंदर किसी भी चीज़ को जानने की इच्छा बहुत प्रबल होती है। तो इसमें कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज़ नहीं, कोई बहुत बड़ा रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है कि आप कोई लैंग्वेज नहीं सीख सकते हैं। हम क्लास 1 से लेकर ग्रेजुएशन तक हिंदी मीडियम पढ़ने के बाद इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं, तो आप तो हमसे ज़्यादा बेहतर हैं ही, है ना। तो आप भी बोल सकते हैं, तो डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट इट, यू विल एबल टू स्पीक। एंड एक बात क्लियर कर लीजिए दिमाग में, क्योंकि ये बात क्लियर करना जरूरी भी है कि हमको लगता है कि हम 4 दिन में इंग्लिश बोलना सीख जाएंगे। इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज वी हैव एक्सपेंडेड कपल्स ऑफ आवर इन एवरी नाइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर टू मेक माई सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट, and we have expended a lot of day and night to practice for the English speaking. That's why today I am speaking English, and I am proud of my mind that the mind is working in a proper way. This mind is guide me that you have to do this for this. That's why I am able to speak. So these are the things that you not need to very seriously take it seriously, but it is important to be patientful and disciplined. And when you will be definitely able to learn all the things. This is not working for the language. It works in every field. It works in every field and situation. So please try to understand this. So let's come to the class without any further delay. So as you know that in a last class, I have discussed something, how to greet people. Whenever we meet for the first time to the people, that how to greet people. It was in first class, am right? So this class is completely relatable for the previous class, that how to introduce myself. Whenever I think to start initial talk to the people, I think that how to introduce myself, how to introduce in a interview, how to introduce in a class, how to introduce in a strange person to the strange person. So these are the terrible questions that comes into mind. These are the nonsense questions comes into mind. These are not terrible and nonsense questions. When I was not knowing about it, I was also thinking that these are the terrible and nonsense questions. But these are the very important questions. If you are thinking these questions, that means you wanted to learn an impactful introduction. That how to introduce myself, that's become very imperative and that become impactful for the person. So let's begin this class with this kind of motivation and this kind of confidence. As you know that I am very confident with myself, because we have expended hours on me. When you will spend hours on you, you will also feel confident and proud of yourself. So let's begin the class. We are learning the classes according to module. That in a module first I was discussing greeting, that how to greet. In a day 2 we are going to learn that how to introduce myself. What are the way and what are the situation, what are the different situation to introduce myself in the different situation and different places. So we have make a chart to make it very easy. So we have mentioned the formal situation, second informal situation, casual situation, professional settings and classroom environment and networking events. These are the some situations that we have put it here to make a momentum, that in what way we are going to introduce myself and what will be the way to introducing myself to the people. Am right? So next, in the next row, we have mentioned that what we have to add in our introduction. Like in a formal situation, we have mentioned here that full name, greeting and occupation or title. What does it mean? It doesn't mean that whenever you are introducing in a formal way, in a formal situation, you have to add full name, you have to add your full name and greeting, occupation, what you do, आप करते क्या है उसको ऐड करना है, और आपका टाइटल अगर जो चाहे आप टाइटल अपना ऐड कर सकते हैं. Like we have also given an example for it. Like we will be greeting first like good morning, my name is, you have to mention your name here, and I am a software engineer. So we have just mentioned our occupation and my name is and greeting as well. It's become very important to the how to make an impactful introduction for the first time. So it is very important to learn these things, that what we have to add first and second and third that. So I hope you have getting that in a formal situation what you have to do. You have to do that full name, greeting, occupation and title. This is the example here. You can add your name and making for this. It does not mean that if you are software engineer then you will be applying this example. You can be another, you have another occupation, you can also add your occupation as well, right? So next come to the second one, that is informal situation. Informal situation is not a rocket science, so very easy that we use with our friends whenever we try to hang out with the friends. Like there is we have to add a greeting, simple greeting and first name. In informal situation, it is not mandatory to tell about the detail about myself. I am this, I am belonging from this, we have achieved this kind of qualification, I have a communication coach, I am teaching to students. What does it mean? This is the informal situation. We have to just say hi and I am this, that's finished. And it is very important to know that what is the situation. I have seen many people, they go into class, they are giving introduction like they are delivering a speech in an international level. What does it mean? You have to keep into mind that what is situation, what is the place, where are you introducing to yourself. Alright? So it is very important to know that what is the situation and what we have to add into our introduction. Right? And then there third, that is the casual situation. What we will be adding in a casual situation, whenever we will be in a casual situation, like we have to just add greeting. Greeting should be morning greeting, evening greeting and afternoon greeting. It depends on you, that what it depends on time, sorry, it's not you, it's depend on time. And you have to add a first name, not full name, brief description. You know, we forget to tell the people what is important and what is necessary to tell them. We start telling that thing that is unnecessary. Why we are doing this? Because I was not knowing the proper way to introduce myself. So today you are learning the proper way, the proper method, that how to introduce myself in a different situation and different places. Right? So in a casual situation, you have to add only greeting and first name and brief description, like I have mentioned here. Hey there, I am Anush. I am into photography and hiking. This is the profession. This is also kind of occupation. You can say that I am doing a job in a company where what is my position, I will say this kind of things. That's why we have mentioned here. I hope you are getting that what is that is mean of it. So now we are coming to the fourth one, that is the professional setting. What is the mean of professional setting? It is completely related to the official work. I'm right. Whenever we are meeting to the people as a professionally, how to we greet to people, how to introduce myself. You have to you have to full name. You have to speak. You have to tell them your full name and what is your position or role and your company name as well. These three things. You know, introduction does not mean that giving a brief, detailed description about yourself. Introduction, it does mean that how to then say and what word we add into our introduction that's made impactful for the person and that make you impressive for the person. That is the mean of introduction. Introduction doesn't mean that we are just giving all the information from my generation to generation. It's a very simple to learn 4, 3, 2, 1 or 2 sentences. That is the enough to introduce myself. And after finishing introduction, you can start your conversation in a deep topic, in a detailed knowledge. But in introduction, पता लगा हम introduction बोल रहे हैं, उसी में पूरी कहानी बताते चले जा रहे हैं और सामने वाले को बोलने का मौका ही नहीं दे रहे. So this is not the proper way of communicate to the people. So it is very important to know that what is the formal way or informal way to introduce someone, right? So here I have mentioned an example also. Hello, I am Anuj Maurya. I have mentioned here name with a surname. Suppose, hello, I am Anuj Maurya, the marketing manager at ABC, whatever it is your company. I don't know what is your company because you are a very professional person. That how can I know that in which company you are doing job and what is your salary and what is your recommendation and many more things. So it's just for joke, don't take it seriously. And you have to add hello, it's a professional greeting, and I am what your name and marketing, you have to tell them your position or role and what is your company name as well. And now that is classroom environment, because we are definitely we are know about it, that how to introduce myself in the classroom. When I came here, when I started my class, I have said to all of you that hello everyone. Why I said this? Because whenever you enter in the class to teach students, it's become a very important to greet for everyone, not for a particular person. That's why we always try to say hello everyone, good morning everyone, good evening everyone, and another way of introducing yourself. Got it? So in a classroom environment, we have to greeting, we have to greet them, and the second thing, you have to add first name. In a classroom, don't need to give your detailed information and detailed name. Suppose I have seen people, teachers enter the class and they start telling about their professional name, that I am Anuj Kumar Maurya and मेरे पापा का नाम ये है, मेरी मम्मी का नाम. What does it mean, यार? You are just going to teach them, not telling them about yourself, that what is my background. है ना? यही सब नॉनसेंस चीजें जब हम करने लग जाते हैं तो सामने वाले के लिए बोरिंग लगने लग जाते हैं. तो बोरिंग ना लगे तो इसके लिए हमें अपने दिमाग को थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड करना है. क्या सही है क्या नहीं सही है इसको समझ लेना है. गॉट इट? सो इन अ क्लासरूम व्हाट वी हैव टू टेल? greeting, first name, major or grade, what is your grade, what is your stream, what you are teaching them, and stream. And hello everyone, this is the example. Hello everyone, I am Anuj, I am an English teacher. I teach English in a school named as ABIC. I mean to say Atal Bihari Inter College Dikunni Bharavan, Hardway. You can add your school as well. Basically, I am not teaching in ABIC, Atal Bihari Inter College Dikunni Ardui, because we have studied from that school. That's I am mentioning here my school name. Okay, so you can also add your information according to this sentence, according to this example. And last but not least, networking event. This is very important. Nowadays that's become very important for everyone, that what way, how to introduce in a networking event where the people from the various field came to meet you, and it is become very important to make an impactful introduction for yourself, to make impactful impression, to become a unique person, you become a unique personality, right? So how you will be adding? You have to greeting first and full name and shared interest. You don't forget to share interest. You have to find out that what is matching with me and them. If you are able to find out that things, you will definitely able to generate an impact in your conversation, right? So I have to made a connection that, hi, nice to meet you. I am Anuj. I heard we both love traveling. पता भी नहीं कि हम दोनों ट्रैवलिंग पसंद करते हैं कि नहीं, लेकिन वो चेहरे पर स्माइल लाएगा. We will be feeling connected to each other. That's the mean of introduction, that how to introduce myself in a different places and different situation to the people. एक बात आपको बता के जा रहे हैं, यदि आप कम्युनिकेशन स्किल में परफेक्ट हो गए ना, आपको बोलना आ गया ना, तो आप वो हर एक चीज करके दिखा देंगे जो आप चाहते हैं. क्योंकि आर्ट ऑफ स्पीकिंग इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग इन टू द लाइफ. From that day, I know that communication skill is a very important step for the person. From that day, we have started working on it, and I am speaking English. यदि आप कंटिन्यूसली कोई काम करते रहते हैं उसमें मजा आने लग जाती है. That's I am enjoying. और एक बात आपके साथ कह के जा रहे हैं, यदि आप किसी चीज में इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं, बढ़िया अपने आप को ईमानदारी से 15 दिन उसके लिए थोड़ा सा देख लीजिए. आफ्टर 15 डेज, क्योंकि मैंने ही अपने आप पर अप्लाई किया, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गिविंग अ रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस. यू विल डेफिनेटली फील दैट व्हाट अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस इन लास्ट 15 days. You will feel that, wow, what a change I have made in 15 days. So do that and tell me that what was that my talking way and why expression that I'm telling to you. So thank you so much for watching this class and being with me and feeling connected with me. And I hope you are enjoying my classes, that I am teaching you in a very funniest way, in a very easy way, that you can easily able to speak English as well, right? With the facial expression. And if you wanted to join my offline batch from visual that completely feel to connected, you have to come into class that is located Balaganj near Marimata Mandir. You can visit and you can join my offline classes, and I will try to give my 100% to make you confident speaker, freedom speaker and fluent speaker. And how many possibilities will be there, I will be providing you, and that will very important. And if you are not able to do that, just be consistent online classes, and from here you will also able to learn a lot of things whatever you want. So, and another thing is also I wanted to tell you, if you wanted to the notes of these classes you can easily get, that is also free of cost, you don't have to pay any charge for it. You have to go in the description box and just click on link, given link, and you can directly join the WhatsApp group, and from there you will able to get all important notes of the related class.